Hello guys, in this video I'm just going to explain how to cancel your PlayStation Plus Deluxe subscriptions after your WWE 2K26 purchase. For example, I have just bought this PlayStation Plus Deluxe. After that, what you need to do is, it's very simple. You need to go to the settings. You can easily do that. For that, you need to go to the settings and go to settings, and here come to user and accounts. Okay, under user and accounts, tap account, and then you can see this payment and subscriptions. Under account, payment and subscriptions, tap it, and here just come down to subscriptions, and here right you can see this PlayStation Plus Deluxe. So I'm going to cancel it. So here you can see this options, cancel. So you can see my next payment date, and if you want to change the plan, that also you can change it. Okay, tap cancel subscriptions, and they are giving some offer. If you want, you can redeem your offer and tap cancel subscriptions. So this is the way you can cancel your subscriptions in PS5. That's it, friends. Hope this video is very much helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please put a comments and feedback in the video form. Thank you. Bye. Take care, friends.